gonna remove these push pins. Use a trim tool, just get underneath, pop these push pins out. Slide the center up first. That unlocks it, and then you can pull the rest of it out. Pop those out. And on both sides, you want to take these bolts out. Use a 10mm socket. Remove those. Underneath here, you're going to have some push pins holding this on. You want to use a trim tool and take those push pins out. All of those along there. Over on the side, you want to take those push pins out right there. Just use that trim tool, get that one out there. And there should be one right in the corner here. You want to take that one out because that's going to separate the inner shield from the bumper cover. So do that on both sides. Now underneath, we're going to take all these screws out. You're going to use a T20 socket. Take those out. Ready? Then you just grab the panel and you just want to slide it towards the back of the vehicle. Now from the side, we're going to take off these 3 screws. Use the same T20 socket. Then you can peel away, pull back on the inner fender well. You want to disconnect the light that's on the side here. Just grab the connector. Push down on the tab and then slide the connector out. If there's fog lights, you're going to want to reach in there and disconnect the fog light as well. Do the same on the other side. And disconnect that connector. Now just grab the bumper cover right here and you just want to pull outward pretty hard. Just like that. It's clipped in right there. You want to do the same on the other side. And again, just pretty forcefully, just grab it and pull. Then just grab the whole bumper cover and slide it forward. Now take the bumper cover and line it up. On the sides, you want to push it into the clips. Do that on both sides. And lock it in. Now on the side, you want to get these screws lined up. Just make sure that the bumper lines up with the fender. Snug that down. Just do the same. Get those started. Tighten those down. Do the same on the other side. If you want to, before you put these screws in, you can connect this side marker light right here, if it's a little bit easier, but you can still access it from underneath. Lock that in place. Then you can get those screws lined up. Tighten those down. I'll slide this panel in place. Lines up right there. Put the push pins in, lock those down. There should be 4 of those right there. And get all the screws started. And snug those all down. And tighten those all down. And the 2 push pins on the side, you want to push those in. Now put the push pins in and lock them down. Take the 2 10mm bolts, get those started. And tighten these down.